Good day, everyone. The COVID-19 crisis has brought about years of change in the way companies in all sectors and regions do business. In this era of remote everything, to quote Satya Nadella of Microsoft, we have seen 2 years worth of digital transformation in just 2 months. Platforms like Teams and Google Meet are enabling this accelerated transformation by giving people a tool to chat, call, meet, and collaborate. With platforms like these being used as their hub for teamwork, our customers are discovering new tech innovation practices that we believe will stay beyond this crisis. As more retailers use technology innovation and cloud-based business models to adapt to evolving competition and consumer behavior in the post-pandemic economy, as bricks and mortar stores continue to struggle, here are a few key trends shaping the future of retail today. For digital payments, there's no stopping the shift to digital economy as more people turn to their phones and gadgets to pay bills, do grocery, and shop during this pandemic. Consumers are now more conscious about health and safety. Cashless has fast become the default preference of many Filipino consumers. In fact, the country saw a surge in the use of electronic payment systems at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. PayMaya, in fact, doubled its users in the past months to 38 million users as it continues to expand its partnership with various government agencies and businesses. The number of merchants it has enabled to accept contactless payments grew by more than 1,400% year-on-year as of September 2020. The BSP aims to increase the share of digital payments to 50% by 2023 as well. Retail transactions is also seen to be around 50% online by the year 2022. In an effort to promote social distancing and restrict the movement of people during the COVID-19 pandemic, the retailers, especially non-essentials, were mandated to close during the closest lockdown phase, many of whom are still closed till today. This opened the door for e-commerce players to widen their market penetration and encourage traditional retailers to expand into the online space. The shift was immediate. The elevated rates of e-commerce usage during the pandemic look set to remain a more permanent feature of the retail landscape. According to a poll released by Visa in July 2020, 73% of Filipino consumers are likely to sustain or increase their pandemic level of online shopping once restrictions are eased. For omnichannel retailing, people may look at the words omnichannel and multi-channel and assume that they mean the same thing. After all, they both have multiple channels that a business uses to communicate with customers. Now, what's the most efficient way to make omnichannel retailing possible for your business? The goal is to offer a seamless, continuous customer experience. It's not enough to simply add an online shopping site or a mobile application and think that you are providing an omnichannel experience for your customers. True omnichannel innovation combines all customer touchpoints into one main technology innovation platform, enabling people, processes, and data to come together for a delightful shopping experience. You need your customers to be able to find you online. Even after COVID-19, consumers will continue to buy online. For customer engagement, consumer preferences have shifted abruptly and dramatically over the past year. Customers have raised the bar in terms of their expectations for a more unified engagement whenever they browse, purchase, return products, or seek follow-up advice and assistance. At the same time, the number of available communication channels has vastly increased and continues to do so. Delivering a more unified customer engagement that meets increasing expectations is no longer a nice to have. It is becoming a requirement. Your business relationship with customers is built over time, nourished by experiences along many online and physical touchpoints in their journey, grounded on expectations and confirmed through repeated interactions. So regardless of your strategy to drive customer engagement, to how you embed human interactions with your digital campaigns, to changing in-person experiences, to how you leverage on AI, chatbots, and machine learning to enhance customer support, this lockdown scenario brought about by this crisis which is forcing most people to physically be separated from their friends, extended family, workplace, and favorite places, is requiring organizations to adapt to a digital or remote way of doing business, and is dramatically altering people's daily experiences. Now, a year of remote working has challenged us to rethink our traditional work models. According to Microsoft's 2021 report, 73% of employees surveyed expressed a desire for flexible remote work options post-pandemic, and 66% of businesses said they were considering redesigning physical spaces to better accommodate hybrid work environments. Companies are adopting innovative solutions to ease the transition to a new model. But just as technology kept the world running amidst physical restrictions, it equips organizations with the tools to transition to a hybrid future. A way for companies to effectively transition to a hybrid work environment is to implement the right tools to employees so they can remain efficient. From virtual collaboration and productivity tools, from cloud to ERP solutions, to DMS solutions allowing approvals safely and remotely. Before 2020, it may have been tempting to believe that the digital transformation year was years away. The COVID-19 pandemic has dispelled this myth. We are living in two worlds today, the physical and the digital. As companies slowly reopen offices, they must find ways to balance the two. And history suggests that investing in one's business during a recession ensures that it will thrive when the tide turns. And there is no greater time than the present to act. To stay competitive in this new business setup and economic environment requires new strategies and practices. Technology definitely plays strategic importance as a critical component of the business, not just a source of cost efficiencies. Over the years, PLDT has evolved into an integrated telco, focusing not only on fixed and wireless connectivity solutions, but bringing in a robust ICT solutions as well. And like many other utility companies, the intent is to build the necessary infrastructure or systems that many of our customers need and remove the complexity of building and managing the infrastructure on your own. Likewise, making it easier for our customers to access technology by simply subscribing to a service. The platforms we built help address various customer needs for customer engagement, cybersecurity, disaster recovery, network systems, data centers, cloud, and a lot of other business applications. Just some examples of these platforms would include Simple ERP, which is an enterprise resource planning solution that allows you to use a simple, accessible, and affordable solution fit for your business, from accounting, purchasing, inventory management, sales and reports, and all the basic functions you need fully integrated into a single system for better decision making. We also have PLDT CCaaS, or Contact Center as a Service, to help equip your businesses with a full-featured, cost-effective, and flexible, scalable contact center to deliver outstanding customer experience. Smart Messaging Suite allows you to send personalized, scheduled marketing messages to your customers. SD-WAN is designed for businesses that operate across network of branches and looking to migrate from the traditional to a hybrid network, making sure that on-premise and cloud applications are accessible anywhere. We've also built telco-grade cybersecurity solutions used by many of our customers, especially in the financial sector. Cloud solutions will enable your business to efficiently deploy workloads and applications through the power of the cloud. And managed IT services can assist you in your infrastructure architectural design, in actual implementation, and to monitor, manage, optimize your IT enterprise system so that you can focus more on the strategic initiatives for your core business. With these platforms, the customers can address many of your core related issues relating to cost reduction and operational efficiency due to the subscription-based model, transform the businesses no matter the size by utilizing the latest and available technology that can be deployed much faster because the infrastructure and platforms are already built, compliance to global standards, and risk reduction related to business continuity and security. Not only did we build our own platforms, but we are also working closely with other platform providers like Alibaba, Amazon, Azure, Google, and others. And also other application partners like SAP, Coupa, Salesforce, and Microsoft 365. We at PLDT are committed to continuing to build the tools and platforms to keep everyone connected and productive through COVID-19 and beyond. From remote teamwork and learning, to sales and customer service, to critical cloud infrastructure and security, we are working alongside customers every day to help them adapt and stay open for business in a world of remote everything. To end, let me leave you a quote to ponder on. We cannot predict what will happen in the future, but we can definitely prepare for it. Thank you very much.